Hello viewers, welcome to Engineering Study Materials. Today we are going to discuss about the compression molding process. So let's get into this video. Compression molding process. In this, two dies are present. One is fixed and other is movable. A charge that is a preform is placed in the lower die and upper movable mold half can be made to press this charge so that a final product is made, because the lower die is made to design in the sense that the final product should be a correct product. Then the ejector pin can be used to take the product out. This process of molding a material in a confined shape by applying usually pressure and heat. Compression molding process is followed by a two-step, that is preheating and pressurizing. In this, the charge is preheated because the pressure applied is able to is optimum. Otherwise, if we did not preheat this charge, more amount of pressure is to be needed. If it preheats it, the charge is made softer, so that the pressure applied is minimum and power loss is reduced. The molds used are made up of a metal. Pressures involved in compression molding are high. Then the common mold material is tooled steel, and this mold surfaces are chrome plated so that the final compound outer surface can be made smoother. Then this is the procedure. Charge is placed in the cavity, mold is closed, pressure is exerted to squeeze the resin, and under the pressure the mold is heated, which cures the resin. Then to manufacture the high volumes of small to moderate size parts, and low void contents is the major advantage, because we use the pressure, it is of high pressure, so that the resin is wetted the inside the reinforcement, so that no pores is present, and amount of scrap is minimum because it is take place in the two mold cavities. Then this is the process. We can also use a powder of a measured amount is placed on the lower mold, then mold closes under heat and pressure, then mold can be opened, then the final product of a sheet metal or etc bulk metal can be obtained by this process. First, the initiator is heat activated, as we said before. Then to prevent premature curing, the molding components are refrigerated, because the shrinkage problems occur due to the heat activated peroxide. Then it is used for making auto body parts, water tanks, electrical enclosures, etc. There are two types of molding components, namely bulk molding components and sheet molding components. Bulk molding components consist of a mixture of resin with short glass fibers and fillers. Small sheet mold components consist of a initiated resin and filler paste is spread wide on a carrier film, and fiber is chopped and sprinkled across the coated film. This is also a definition for the sheet molding process. Involves placing a reinforcement such as a glass mat between the sandwiching layers of the thermoplastic and heating the materials to produce a single sheet of material, whereas the bulk molding components are produced by a billet of molten material that is placed onto a compression molding press, which molds the molten material into a part. Then this is the diagram for the sheet molding component manufacturing, whereas a paste placed in a container and a carrier film is wound is pulled over the pulley system, and the paste is pasted on the carrier film, and the fiber is chopped using a chopper. Then carrier film coated with the paste is coated over the top surface, so that bottom and top are contains a carrier film. Inside it contains the paste with chopped strands. then it is compacted using the compacted rollers. Then a gamma gauge is present, is used to heat this sheet mold compounds. Finally it is collected in a container. Then the advantages are the low cost, uniform density, dimensional accuracy, short cycle time. Finally, the disadvantages are the curing time is large and scrap cannot be reprocessed because the scrap consists of the reinforcement and the resin mixture, so that it cannot be separated and can be reused, so that scrap cannot be reprocessed, and high initial capital investment is needed because the machines involved in this process are of the high cost. Then applications and products are dinnerware, buttons, knobs, appliance housings, and radio cases, automotive, ashtrays, and electrical parts. So this is a short video, friends. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up button and share this video to friends to gain knowledge, and please subscribe this channel for more videos. And so thank you for watching.